because our ambition was to win by 5. At half time, when we know that to win by 5 means nothing, we drop the intensity, and we had a different match. A small team that beat Real Madrid.
Atiano ya command no one chema pimper friend you say Mourinho Paul Modern etimi edia two judges we no team kitu amrebi atwam no omo Modern chema duboko no etimi show montinra na nka omo reso ombo Modern abo adwuma bo meka no be se makoma kunuma game no na emu adinti win we no omo nya beboa na hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi edia mo ne da so a ejamu edidi di nkomo e wo UEFA Europa League no nra wo one chema yas game etimi e course no akwari so bi o man di no ye friend Joel Halter na Hoto no na aba nyaba beto ya cheze wenye mfie no mako edunso eno no ne bo mo de captain Ayas Boboko na echi no ejuma na no bo no eyade a ano edie papa na ne no ye ka Hoto no ho asem no na cheso bo mo de bo 90 minutes assist no oye bako a create passes no bo mo de na 40 out of 49 eno na che no bo mo de etimi e create chances no bako ana big chance ne bako chances no bo mo de etimi ayenso na afi no de bo mo de edinity clear na no so no eye mako miensepo a amane madaye pa etimi armane yase no a ejuma na akoda ne boy ne ade a ama no a edin ye pa presence at the age of 17 no na ye nemu as a captain aba eba be jam na ya sekiri no utimi boa mane makoye pre etimi arma wa ama club no mani aso na no a omo game omo AEK Athens edi boani no join ye na bra be ready Ayas fans no na omo ye unso already no zo omo qualify aba nyaba be romo manim no na ayedin kakra na omo fighting for the third place spot no na no a omo fans no dedo omo ye urwani chemo Johan Cruyff Arena sena na isiete Atiano ya no anema etimi ebo mode etimi ramo Johan Cruyff Arena Sompa aya some fans no na no mu yedede support o team nepo a e ma na ma de ye pre etimi ramo Liverpool so ekoko ramo Belgium no Union Saint Garus ne de ko ekoko boy ni e ba na we na omo abo Liverpool e kam no ama matimo akwa after the game no Ghana ni akoda ojam boy adwuma de ma Liverpool di din na ye frene Gerald Kwanza ono so di nkomo akra of Manchester United game no say no so de nsem ni jai.
Joel ends in defeat tonight. What are your thoughts on the performance?
Yeah, it was good to get a few of the lads' cobwebs off. We've got Conor Bradley, who's been out for 4 months at the start of the season, who needed 90 minutes and got that. A few more players who needed rhythm. So, the result is not what we want, but we knew what coming into this game, what we were preparing for. But it would have been nice to get the win in the end, but it didn't come.
Youngest ever Liverpool side named in European competition. How invaluable was that experience for yourself and for the others?
Yeah, it's great. I played with some of these lads for 10 years, so to share a pitch with them and with the first team in Europe, it's a dream come true, really. So to get that, and especially in Europe, is a great experience.
Tell us about this composed finish.
Atiano ya kwa command wani chema brantie friend Gerald Kwanza na ise Ghana ni a ojamu bredwuma etimi edema England no you team no and also after say Liverpool e kokoko di tro no obo modern a share experience no ene ne ma ramu etimi edema na ni na boa na ne ma koye pre etimi edema ne ramu Spain kakra ye ndidi di nkomo metete se Madrid for no eso mo e consider se Carlo Ancelotti e no babo modern a pimpa no ye timi ama extension a obetra no abo edwuma edema team zanzo mo gidi se edwuma obo ne kwan na onam so no e beboa na ma koye pa etimi ma club no so decide so no ebetimi Atlante no e dia baba beto ya Robert Lewandowski so no yes your pomodin a onya ofa bi verse 150 million euros na yeska enke yes your ngenomra ya ma mejamu bo adwuma fama Saudi Arabia omu teams ne ba ko na so no or reject yes your person trabasa na ne contract beba na year 2026 no e bo ma bibia e koye kama pa so etimi e dia mo na Barcelona na metetete say ne River Plate o mo akra reso a ye friend Claudio very no ye penesombra e mama me rom no me bojuma etimi emfa mama na nkomodi de nim jeza akra we akwa kodi nkomo bebi aka se ono no uyi River Plate efiwa timo pepa na ye Barcelona zanze ore Messi na namuntu no na wetimi esua na aboa amane makoye pera man ti Barca fonso omo twen omo giri se tutu ende da ye na nkomo no etimi ekoyi a ombabo mo de na sama 2024 no waba netimi aba be join omo yes Manchester City na fe Chelsea so no e na machi omo airport boy no sombra e ma me Germany omo etimi ambo ejuma na mboa mane manda ye pa etimi emfa mo muntie no no e dia ba nyaba be rama mun sesem no ye de eltudwe etimi era mana Ricardo Mamitiego Silva ezaza no a urwani chemo kobama obomode eni na busuafo no ko ekokokoshio ano mo kekan koma no kakra ni nyina se Chelsea bobo koro maso no omugiri so play abako ejuma bo eni ne mo di ram no e ya de boa man tutu no ko ye pa etimi era mana kama pananti ya mete no Chelsea for na decide say ne contract ne ba na wie yesama enya de somo e bebo mo de na omo etimi extend no etimi era man no nyina so mehwe no mare so mo sabe ka play bi obeba ababa be jama bo ejuma etimi era mo na Manchester United aso ya soro ano permit tete say akra resu e friend Facundo Perez no omo abomode any looting time bobo ko no edi nkoma no yesi akra resu na be ko nyakwa ko Johnny Omulon no to the end of the season no wabo ejuma etimi era looting time chemu no echezo mo se boy naka etimi era cho mo say ahead of Uruguay na jeze Copa America na betodwa no e wo so nya more playing time abeboa na ama ne form no dia ba nyaba be Roma United a game no on share nya bi monti o consider so be run akwa bo ejuma be bi na boa na ne ma da yesoro etimi era ma tora mo spaso ya no omo so a confirm say Jonathan Ta no ye ejuma netimi era ma bo ko a ye form be no fear Leverkusen no omo epene so mra e ma me jam na nko me be ejuma etimi amfa ma oba kia be perfect and Postecoglou e koko chance and for no o see ne squad no nyoma baba be kakakra bi e ho be nya so be nya signings bi a January no on be baba be ram no ma bo ejuma boa amane ma ko ye pretimi era ma tora mo speti ono so no e kaka nani no o jiri se Jonathan Ta e one play bi o nya no ba neba be rama e be boa na hihye na ko ye pa etimi era mo na Roberto Di Zerbi e jama ma Brighton Nova bi mbo ko no o se no qualification o munya ye e bo modem netimi top group no o jiri se group no mo atop no e ye record kese pe ko ere ma bobo ko a ye from Brighton Nova bi on se na pimpa no e bo modem di nkomo no
and the atmosphere we felt during the game was incredible today because the fans are the player more. We played in 12 players today because the atmosphere I watched it this night I never seen finish at the top of the table for us.
Atiaru ya command wani chima Brighton omu coach friend Roberto Di Zerbi e po mo diere tuja po amane mada yeso etimere ma yanko enkoko Ramos Saudi Arabia na maminei uru wani chima tima e form Al Hilal ko omo fa so ya shimpo no oba be Roma bi re nemu ni so no ye best goalkeeper no omu timi abo mo dem na Germany ni na nse na wo se omu timi abo na ba so na hwe ni teammate no any cake no twa no se na isi etie
Dima Bono سلام بونو مبروك حبيبي ديما بونو
Atianu ya dia no anarwari echemo Saudi Arabia mpatebepa e baba beto dwa ya shimpono na uzampa ene Hilal Boboko no abomode aka dia boma onya best goalkeeper wa bibrema no ye bomode ne etimi ageni na yesi Hilal no na before na nka pempa ye friend ho he yesu seba ababe ejuma no Neymar recommend ye sen komonko enkoku runner former PSG omu coach ye friend Christophe Gatier no ye mfa pempa na manembra nema mejamu bo ejuma etimi mfa mo mananso no enkomodidie no enwie pay enam so ema ho he yesu seba eba be ramu puama ne mada yepa etimi ermo manope ya urwani chemo Tokyo wa Shakhtar Donetsk Boboko na ko akwakoduo ni nanso mo bo modern charity game bi etimi ram on the 18th December 2023 urwani chema tima nyefomo Avispa Fukuoka eno mo ni omode ko akwakobo eni na boa amane mada di impera mo yesi charity match musika semne ne sere niema no esi ekono ebi krabe rometi era ma Ukraine man sanze niema ekoso oni ade am ne mo ma hihye no enko yekra etimi afa mamunte no enkoma baba be ram tu join na hra we ya no point no Shakhtar Donetsk ko ekokodu ye no ke omo fa so agi omo fa so no e ya de na efre ye papa na Joshua Kemikin so no na metete so didi nkomo se no benya agent bi obeba na wa baba be boa no na ne contract on sensem no wa hwe no wa boa na so ram ban team no a oye players omo nya di aketwa no ba kono no ne contract ne ya bene wie ono a check ne form no hu se niam a enhyera end da ye entu onya move obe move nti ase ne oye the only player we didn't pay on set up no only agent you know or pay agent bi obeba na nyaba be boa no aboa amane ma de ye pa etimiera ma no do wani chemo PSG so no o maso akrare so a ye friend Warren Zai Emery and on new panyin so no nyaba bontini video bi aba na video no de aba no wabo modern trophies akwada na jejejeje no being it man of the match being it French Ligue 1 and on tournament awro na akwa rum no and on new panyin so no ebo modern netimiere chacha ebo ma hye no ko yi so no etimiere ma na no pe no ye mu common era metimiere ma na FK Surveillance Vesda ebo majuma Serbia Pataman kane near from Resta Belgrade Nanra Michael Baba be mu adwuma na yeze na no game no ye bodu baby na Manchester City air show mo no nyumwe na no mo fans no eto no ya no na chese game a jipene etimi akoso UEFA Champions League no and Manchester City achomo etimi ashomo du baby no no mo fans ni ye fake Manchester na is Manchester City no e fake original no and Manchester United boa mane makoye pretimi amansem ya repem na mo no ze utie me now die so no so beba ababa be fiura e simple kra ni nyina ne ze name nyoro wani chemo mpatamu a akwenya na baba bedo etimi ama so no obaba be fiura na wapo modinska kitu ebotwa na ne makoye peda manatiri ye 9 bedrooms bia ene ye bo modin aton na baby e wo no fie na efrepa na afi so esan wo krum se nete yes ye wo toilet and bath no mako enum and afi ye wo store room bako baby abenu aduane ne ye mako nan ene ye wo ho kese bako enti bedrooms ne ye mako nkono 9 bedrooms na ne no ye bo modin etimi aton na fie no nkomo no sere meken sika sem ne ade ono wo fom na fie no so no wo baby ye papa enti no location ne Breman UGC omo eben main street no enti nya baby e hewura no akwa akoto wakasa akronfo beba ababa be hawe no Breman UGC eben street no pa entu betimi abomode na numbers ya medi tuga no wafa na wedidi won komo skakitu abi no so beba no ababa ye fiewura number ne 054 7469 294 054 7469 294 and a 020 311 535 020 3111 535 020 3111 535 me pacho ofra nan komodi de bia no wabomode na nyone omo etimi edidi di nkomo no yezi we intermediary bia nim ni nyina ne se nipa nan kasa ye ne de no ene de room ti rooms no eye mako nkono na ne no ye bomode aton sa fie na okwan wo efre na ne bo no so no eye ade wo fom ye papa ti emreti no yenwe na yemfa ma no ne nkomo ne mpem na menja mo emfa ma lutakin na de akebio ne abijafo no emfa to aso emfa ma mo
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nurse na wo to ase na fa wo sie mu na fa wo nasia be si ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa na sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene be so ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya ya resabia ya re bia wutimi de ko ne mama de pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma provisions any nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua so a yakase wo se unzimi nchanti e chance number na so ya keke nemum o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bia say dia put me the Vodafone cash etia merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say what provisions well iniame me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye remember ama here o be ya de say o be dial star 110 hash netia kako merchant bia ho e network bia so enia Vodafone
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Royal foam mattress no. Behind the brain na me komu. Leda mpano suweni na tom. Na me chika se so me na huna nyinaa ya me ya. Na di kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na me nya Royal foam mattress no. Pa kwasi da aso ape. E na oyi me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan kono Royal foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oje wa Royal foam. What man nami relaxation aye there. I want to say we know woman say Royal foam mattress aye papa. Eche a quilted mattress in tea. Woda soa ama wona ya foam. So what mattress free Royal foam a. Seche free pillows. Royal foam aje abasobody e 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet our quality duvets, curtains, beds, new carpentry foams ahodo ni maybe. Hwehwe the Royal foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fanan nyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am getting private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses in your general art, science, business, no other couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. Or send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was Yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, what is Timbofono SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piano or Ghana? Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schooler, for school Owenton, I'm a Paso Asi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Our clean water tanks. Water, which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run both standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority. Because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Z Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. I'm not so now. In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, we have Smart Picks and the Passion Daily Jackpot. You always get way more with Betway. And you want to see.
Right.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba Sompa 93.1 FM. So live on Sompa TV full time. Jumedia team Kunyaso de Bro Shannon song Seprem to Bre and ever sorry Kunyaso 12 noon. Meno Casabeja Fonya ya Crado Hanane Aqueda Friday the 15th of the month of December. Yemfa birthday special and Famona will do on birthday. Ye Jumedia so ya fa Kwenya biso near celebrate Mamma Kama. Way a honorable Eric Adu Ousu Onaye Bunu East Regional Coordinator Edma Free SHS. Now sir Piemo Atebebu Akuma the electoral area. O sir Press Assemblyman yen retaining. Now o birthday no or the Sheba Papa Saint Uguswa di birthday no na campaign Suguswa air cost when Teba say Akuma the electoral area for say Papa Saint there Mwankasa Modia Monsa and retaining on Nabi Bianya Kama and Famanti Honorable Yamatrim Kwanyakupo Sinshao Nabianya Kama Sasura Jasmine Ousu Ewo Germany Jasmine and now birthday my happy birthday Yamishao Nabi Bia Enya Kama Emfa Emao na Yawo Joseph Danso Dudona from Big Joe or Aroma Hotel or Asufwa Wawa done for power then your friend money man was in the birthday no afawoka na nnuabi wo ha esene yonko enu nto waka say when you yonko de esene nua nto waka say happy birthday nyame show na ne enya dasonko abrabom na bibia anya kama mfamanti Big Joe ya matrinkwa Lamina Muhammad yes oba Sompa TV ha eno ye adwuma na se eye Sompa nkomo hona odini djuma onso hinini enamanu odina chi senti Lamina Muhammad happy birthday nyankopon sha o ma birthday ne nyaso ahofe na se bibia anya kama ahofa de ebi ekura papa usiba no so ye kama na yanko apia Belinda wa timatimase na uye nurse ni mapa nurse ni people na abrantie friend King Dave wenchi o se ye ma happy birthday emfa emma no yakopon sha na ne enye dasonko abrabom ene wo Asia Bintu na Asia Bintu so uye adwuma ewo Kumase Maternal and Child Health Hospital ewo Kumase na ene special birthday ena yede emao enti Asia Bintu oso odie eno no ena kramo yanko enme we Bismarck Ejiri Bismarck dodona so efrewo Ajasku wo Abra Dunkwao yase tweda mpo se yadom se onka ho no ntena nim kyerɛw ene wa wo dadie de obebia na nyenhyama nti Big Joe happy birthday Ajasco no ene wo Bridget Osa eso di ne birthday na Bridget Adu Osa yama happy birthday uko school Apetifi Presbyterian College of Education we are level 300 student Osa happy birthday nyame show na ne enye dasonko abrabom na bibia enye ye emfa emao enti kramo okay asa na nema de na ma nema the puncher oh nema di birthday na hwe boga nema the puncher hwe ene nema birthday nema I papa de
nema mini papa oh nema happy birthday the puncher oh happy birthday Nema nyame sha na bia obia Nema nko kama ma I want to be raw hwini mu na bi wasum
samre na wo SSB ayentu kwankwa abrechi no sasabro no
bi wura wasum na apie hwini mu na wura wani ase
asamre ya na nkom de akomie ko na wanko na
pepe se wo de wo na wane ni nya sase wo Ghana
Nema ma trim kwanya nkom shapa kramo na mo ahu we so de no oforuwa ana oforuwa eneso ana so birthday ntia na yema happy birthday nyame enhira na bibia so enye kamama ena Richie Smith so oyina we see wodima Smith collections Richie yema happy birthday we free Ghana's fastest talker ho ena se yema happy birthday bibia enye kama ema onti birthday no yem fancy amon se Michael akomia the sports Messiah nyatena se Messiah good morning
morning oh
bibi aboko de
oh nyame adomahwe ni experience
ya da nyame ase mame mfa nchiama otumfo bam hene nana anin aje ba for the second otumfo bam hene nana yetena se show no mfa ni agro edwanwe se bedu atafo ano abetena nim ho a let's wo hwe na bibia ye kama eno nana anin aje ba for the second otumfo ba mu ni na wonkwa so dan da me se otumfo basia no so ma nyini nche no mo ahoden no ma King Solomon nyansa ni bi se na mfa ehwa santeman en maye
Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done. Come and see what the Lord has done.
Na jomo dia to sisu free.
Mami wo she continue. Oh baby any happy birthday. Kemu mami
me va cha o mi ente kakre. My goodness, indeed. Moranapa. I like our Papa Poku, Mommy Ashe Jumadi and say, Nyago Sompa, Mama Morano, as a Susuna Fame, a Rame, a Sekime, a Dodome, Se Enese, and Krofubu and Camille Sotanga. And can give me wallet now. Naka so Tongane kwa. Oh my goodness. And now Friday indeed. Drew Friday our aim here is to educate, to entertain, and to inform. Yes. And
Mami wish me and Kasaminu Akutiu or baby happy birthday. Yamisha na Oma Okwatintin. Na the odi besumbia enyeshra and na super Friday super Friday na nkomo
na nkrofo si na we late mum na nkrofo kasem se omunnim ba bia de okoye
oh say bia wonim sem ye mama ntema na ne ba bia me koye
too costo
baby ba ko pe aduma na bidi agro
okay
yes wana me na
the Messiah man
bia be ka bia
me no cre
yes Luther ma yensha say England ankasa no wa check your project na omo ye na ankasa na me say in terms of players there who been and say
okay
from the likes of Jadon Sancho be PM of Fofo mu nyina so de ba nyina no we've seen some of their players and the performances so matima done even for the main English national team especially with the elite player performance plan EPP now me say ade ba kwa yensha dan hunsu ye pa the level of coaching England for Nankasane and UK for any produce in a long run with that particular kind of project. Especially because said the Premier League a top contributor. Edema or more elite player performance plan in terms of players in the ranking go through some of the clubs with say Liverpool, Manchester United, Chelsea, and most of these clubs coaches in Intersa because these teams pick coaches from different countries and they bring them in. It will check the English Premier League and Kasana foreigners also.
Okay.
In terms of coaches. But baby, the bedrock of producing top quality coaches for UK for England for no. The championship. Yes, now the average age for a coach in the championship age na 40 years. For League 1, age na 49 years. For League 2, age na 48. For Premier League, age na 50 years.
Average age.
Now, the amount of them say most of these coaches at that particular level and level and they have picked up teams and they are getting results from that particular end. The headmaster, Karen McKenna. no assistant coach them at Manchester United. Or coaching from the under 18s. Jose Mourinho never promoting him and be assistant to Manchester United.
Okay.
And on you Lugana Bayer Jumano. At the age of 35 years, I know decided to step in to take a full job for Ipswich. Or the Ipswich a free league one the more PMU championship. Now league now in terms of teams or more competing for automatic qualification for the Premier League itself, no. And then Ipswich and Leicester City in April. Then Luther, yabesa kwa HBM. Ni akwa kwa share Hull City. Hull City so se komudin a. La am no ye adwuma ma Hull City no ne skin color cross aye tuntum. In this instance, ye bo Premier League the whole of bare last season or last 2 seasons. Nipa na betimi don say Ubu aka say we black colored coach a. Ojina bench na Patrick Vieira.
Okay.
Enye common sir. And also, I was 34 years getting to 35. And also, the one I'm sorry, the mobile. It's checking the age limit and how the English project is actually working out for some of these things now. Luther, to me, it's only a matter of time. The Premier League will be dominated by these particular young coaches. And about the face of the Premier League, making sure. Se foreigners ababe dominate omu league na omu jitu mi say affect omu ntimi produce top coaches no ebe ye aduma e dia momo.
Okay.
They've been so much successful with the levels of their national team. They've been so much successful in terms of producing top players with that particular project. But I think where they were lacking was coaching. And this time around, Luther, they've been able to make sure say omu be producing at least 2 or 3 or top 5 coaches from the championship at age e won mafa.
Okay.
Now I know go see one man this week yet one man ajo yi batin e ko ka asem bi di fa ma o sisi etimi bo FA National Sunday Cup final ni wi a kayema winner no enko hia Women's Super League champion na English football team no mo ma no o mo team ni no mo ni o mo nko hia no mo nko bo ne ehwe ni po be wini na eno na ohwe Joey Barton comment a o make ye ne nsem na o kan na I trigger a lot of things within this particular week. Yamusa Alex Scott ababe kasa bi. Omunyina bebe we ya lower rules munyina aba bonten obi e ka bi. Se Joey Barton se bi omuma. But onuma de ani ka wo.
Da bi.
Omuma ni nyina no. Eno a ye da sorry ya. Ye wa baba wa referee bi a nyame ya adom a on 23rd of December. Fulham ne Burnley match on bebo Craven Cottage no. On ebedi.
Yeah.
Watch. Now, already the level of woman at watch at me di referee na duna can you say America na was anke man ba. But nyoma pushia ma say no. What timi abo modern say bia Joey Barton nsem no can we need to make a proof and do something. And kofo mu na nkasa me say one trigger omo obibi hu they are not ready to do it.
Sir.
Yes. Me hu say ka Joey Barton nkasa asem na me sure say they will be ready to even bring in a woman so made the Premier League match.
Rebecca.
Yes. Rebecca watch.
Yeah.
Mimi nyintum sanka Joey Barton anko kasa asem no an mo ma anya we say as omu nyina they are trying to be hypocrite one way or the other. They feel say Joey Barton ye nipa boni ni panimu bia wo bia hu say Joey Barton ye nipa boni ni because Joey Barton looking down upon women. But me wa Premier League na ye hwe na no ye mo top flight league no ye hu so oba gina mudi. And this is a referee walk up a bowie nansen no. Not a part of the referees on Moko. 4th referee for Manchester United against Fulham. 1-0 na Man United show.
Yeah.
It was still a 4th referee. Head and went to me near center referee. And a FIFA referee and Yanchen. Within the space of bare 1 week, what me abo mo ho modern e pushi say ye manembra.
Howard Webb said an appointment no well deserved.
Howard Webb na nkasa no nya no kwafo.
Because no Paul tries to be spinach.
Onya no kwafo. Howard Webb na nkasa onya no kwafo. Luther, me say enye Joey Barton asem no be kan na say Joey Barton ano ensem na kokoso no be ka bia. Me nya sure se me senka ade we si ankasa komo be ye. Odi no na ankasa so to nchen a. Joey Barton ensem na wo Canada so no only look at one picture.
The picture baby.
When was the last time you saw a black referee so the EPL match?
Menkai.
When was the last time I will be?
Menkaka mitrima.
Okaka utrima onkai. The last time I say Obi Anani Patuntum 80 Premier League match was back in 2008. Juria. Now, on no performance on no class at that age no crampo na komo pena yines in chain because no FIFA accredited referee at the age of 45 or more try some combat dropping. But back in 2008 being promoted in 1997 or making sure so be travel through the ranks and come and make sure say at the end of the day Obetimi Ababe Lidi Ababe referee and the Premier League was in 2008 and you now so all the last game of Honoma Ojamundi Abakoko. And not na so share list yi din pa ni play nkofo a ye yi omuso omunko de and Sam Allison have also gotten the opportunity to go and referee. Nyame Adoma 26th December Sheffield ni Luton Town Boxing Day. One statement by Joey Barton trigger 2 actions we don't see in the Premier League. Yes. One statement by Joey Barton trigger 2 actions we don't see in the Premier League. One, Yenya Ababawa female referee match. Number 2, since 2008, Yenya a black skin colored referee. So maybe the Premier League. Now really kakrakati say EPL, their mileage. Nyomo mo ye. They be omo domo say omo we are the best league in the world. They be a referee say bokro no. They be a referee say nyoma bi ndi se fata. They be amuna modi. Ana racism yempe ana mu yempe hwe opeso ohunu hawa typical English for netia. One, they hold morality so high, but omo nankasa personally nankasa no omo nye practitioners of morality. Yes, omo ye nyatompa hypocrite. They be akasa obi ya de omo sini pa kona de na wo ye nenye ana hu omo ana England for obi ya dia omo nyina begina na sefa ba so omo ne ka sefa no kwapo de komo mpe no EPL ni ana omo ne sha se ka sa be chire no omo ye ne dai omo jafa sa no musu baite utimi speak say Mason Greenwood akoye sei waye sei ni nyina confirm bra ni nyina no oli kakraka ni nyina no since 2008 afina ni patuntum be the referee many Howard were balis kebe me fere kakra na eno na Luther ye bu nkompon ko ye me say FIFA world best players na ye yi omo no e me say hwebebu abobi
why na ebu abona
what check this particular time around the criteria and omo dey assess players in terms of giving them the world best na World Cup nkan wu
abi so hwe obi aye
debi
omo de ba ya
World Cup ya ni dey twem omo de mo February 2023 twem kra so between
because so hwe Mbappe omo ye say oji League A oji top scorer with League A League A player of the year
yes
and a League A team of the year
yes
good and I will share a Messi so omo ye ne say a League A team of the year no ka ho
and oji French League A
and oye 5 major European leagues you know
all time top scorer and Ellen Brown Haaland a Premier League, Champions League and the FA Cup treble, Premier League golden boot and European golden shoe. Iti ohe list in your mom ranking wo honoma. The ana ma vote ni ehu kakra na say sisi ana ma dre ni omodo ma ba 3 no. 211 member associations wo FIFA no. Captains, coaches. Ewa koto aba no. Omutu wi a afi yebesa so anya fans omo FIFA online so omo so beto omo part iti ohwe ni omo na egugu wonum nyina ni omo beto aba journalists so beto bi iti omo tu ni na wi a imagine say all the captains coaches any journalist ojamnete obeka player na asem ni reply or the man no if not for that na sanke the criteria na ye between February 2023 no see this December 2023. I don't think any of them should be winning the world best ahead of Erling Haaland.
Sir.
Yes.
Mira say akomen fancy nyampa 15th of January and a ceremony ni bekoso ye behwe de bekọ akosi aya Sompa 93.1 FM suni live on Sompa TV full time near de bro no Michael Asaribodu atnase ni brain ni nemom ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services say an control said doctor ni so mama yo ababa ni nyina no say ode bibidro esa yade ahodo say kidney problem na wo de ne ye diabetes wo de ne stroke na cancer ulcer wode no ye typhoid anansa wode no halitosis na pampan wonum wadwale wadresse kama ye bu ye fero ukobi wa no pampan ni nyina so do no be kire mo ni what scientific hospital na omo atreat wo to ase dia ma na om sasa brode edusa wo bredia amanfo SSB se eba ni nyina wonya bia bebo asaso wo ye kesebone wo mpe wo sisi na ye wo ja awakwe problem se menua bema ana oba no problem ni firi wan mokọ ni what scientific hospital ombetu ase e dia mamo na om se enka ntre se om okumase atonsu Monaco Junction om na dance rub bank ene dia nhwe na nkran so mo kwame nkroma circle om ewo egwo filling station no abra ubehu om photoframa inside wa om ne NS chemist ena edia nhwe na kuma so mo ye adwuma from that wada Monday to Saturday 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. ena nkran om ye adwuma Thursday to Saturday 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. from 0244 087687 0279 087687 and 0576 087687 from na yare bia ho komo no unomu na bia nye kama Mickey, good morning.
Hello, morning.
Na Friday.
Yeah, Friday you rem sir. Once obi our wild fantasies. Minimum dear.
Oh dear.
O say.
Oh dear.
Threesome.
Sir.
Yeah. The wild fantasy threesome. Mo minimum dear.
Threesome no obi ntia say threesome na ne dear he.
Oh. On te threesome I say.
Maybe I'm say ebia nipa be miensa.
Ghana doctor be a entrepreneur Michael Houston something wa me no. Good. Maybe they are threesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sanka unya mami no.
Being overly pampered by two sexy ladies.
Nanka emma ho fefo. Omote adwuma no betima ride o. Nanka we da ha. Now shame fifi.
Being overly pampered by two sexy ladies. Now shame them. Why is a sandwich? I was a pan no mono.
Kwakwasare.
The almost no hot dogs no. America for no hot dogs. One say she mutias and ya kafra near the vegetables leaves near the afra. Oh, there we catch you. Minimum dear. Oh dear.
Hey,
you let get come on me.
At your parallel. Treso. Tears.
Nana. Nana kremukas uni nyansa de biana maintenance. Fena matias. Treso.
But was a minim o de ma trust. Ba wan count the answer.
Dabi de enko enim.
Oni bi.
Dabi.
Oni wild fantasy.
Dabi. De enko enim. Dabi. Dabi di asem na mo ne me ka no say. Akube ka say
oni omo na tifie ba ko ye bibia.
Charlie.
How much you call us fufu?
Yeah, 3 hours at 3 am no me no aka bo me aduane ma no.
Omo ti omo ase kama.
There's a typical African family setting. Ye nananom mo, ye maame mo, papa mo, ye maame mo, nana mo no. They basically grew up in a home where and they lived like were harmoniously amongst each other. Maybe something that the necessary way na kasa obetimi ayaye. So obetimi aya so ehun akade won say enyo obia keke and the worry mienu e worry miensa. You don't just get up say me pese me worry mienu worry miensa. So ho akade a obetimi aya ho akade no e be e wan kasa usuban. 2 the other ones no have to do with the resources, the financial way near woman clearly. Maybe they me who are no obetimi just go ahead and do it. But I keep falling in love with the European fan culture, especially that of the ultras. What's the ultra? The mabechemwa say it is a Greek word which means go beyond.
Okay,
good. Into the normal spectator na yeni enim say obi ebe jina obi echia supporting na yede obeye no. Omo yetra, ba omo yetra so a aya na ewo ho nsenkaya ene omo actions no e match pepepe. And he made the best of the Europa League, the Europa Conference League, the course so amongst the fans, you know.
Okay.
Because of the agenda me wo. To start with, Aberdeen is a club as Alex Ferguson, Wakochi Omopen, the Omoji, the European Cup in Cup 82-83. They were then a good force war Scotland and San and Nyoma Bessa Rangers and Celtics ne yomuti or no more, but they have the opportunity to more compete the Conference League. Now this is what happened with Aberdeen. No ball game no Pittodrie Stadium. The Pittodrie Stadium is the first ever all-seater stadium in Britain.
Okay.
The first ever all-seater stadium in Britain. Almost started way back 1978. No be to me Babet Nasi. Now stadium no I say Shemusa no enti Koko kakra wo. Into to me stadium next into who
I said Bepo kakra wo.
Now on my entrance Frankfurt fans no mo video no. Na ya ban Frankfurt fans ne say yemo mo enko stadium na enam board ho do mo wonti they decided say so mo ntimi enko stadium ma Scotland yo betimi akọ
okay
na kwan bi o mefa so a mo be generate morale aye dede e dey support your team no so meye enti omokofo kokko ne baako na omogina so police hwe omo
enti
yeah they were giving police a escort ni enti police for na gina ho hwe na mo park police
omo do so.
And the supporters need na akofoko no mo de omo hye omo jama to support their team. Say we are not here with you in the stadium. Yente stands in nia edede. But you are bonti pair. We are connecting with you live in the stadium. And this is
because the players remember to the loud voices.
Exactly the point. Inti we no say abani ye kra out of sight and just say you are not within our heart. You are in our minds too. Say you be support him. And that is what Eintracht Frankfurt did. Abroad money Aberdeen. But game Nanka said they lose 2-0. But fans ne there omo bra Aberdeen for no because we no more no abroad more there so. And it's something that we can also tap into. How we show support to our teams, especially in times like this.
Okay.
Number 2, Poland. Legia also. Also bought against AZ Alkmaar. Now before game no was a Legia for no call England. Sebe nyamra sem kakra ama UEFA for before game we no the ban beto almost say for 5 away matches of man banning Legia also fans no almost say na sebe UEFA for no move we say enya kwahwe about for bia enti the image you see there of a man in suit who born a tie black or kita newspaper they are depicting or trying to communicate to UEFA say some of us we elite okay now in the news now what the buy in kind. So you see a Legia also fan in the usual work mood and now dressing mood and all kind newspaper but all three because they are laughing at the decision UEFA has taken. Now the Polish words now so much for PSY anyway, this is what it means. See Shekaya Caravana Yeje Daye. HSA the dogs are backing. See the dogs. Yeah, the dogs are backing. But the caravan moves on. There's a UEFA wapo. But they fire so in the 5 away games in Albania, they will continually go and support their team. Quite on the first on the UEFA on form. So this was also a display. A more clap back to UEFA's decision say more banning Legia also more supporters no 5 away games because of Omonia Mransa Momokoye against Aston Villa in England. So these two are the pick of the lot, and I think best way of communicating and the best way of demonstrating almost Diano and almost away from that. Draymond Green issue no. And I may say now this is it. The NBA league now suspended Draymond Green indefinitely. The reason I indefinite is say almost say the history of such offenses and as such attacks no into no mujinaswa almost suspended no. What happened on Tuesday was Draymond Green Yusuf Nurkic enya altercation. Kremo Bema had the benefit of a more TV video no dear Draymond Green yeah. So clearly or the video netoswa video na obona. Let's go back to it. It was just a Phoenix Suns Golden State Warriors game. Draymond Green felt contact. Now how he reacted to the contact is absolutely insane.
Too much.
Say Odanesa a casa Ninsano or Jemu Corton Chedia Pan.
Oh yeah.
Into Obien in Senica can to any quiet who were trying so but one mono. And this was what happened. So he was ejected from the game. A year at the NBA, led by Commissioner Adam Silver at National Derby. Abrante was here pay bibi near the eno. Na ye pay bibi dia ena.
But me bro, 7 months ago, he was suspended me boy.
This year, issue say when 2023. So repeated offenses. Yabeba ne catalog of such offenses neso. But let's speak to the number of times Draymond Green has been involved in such attacks. Our league now take a decision against him. Into Omaya the first picture no the two no. Nurkic then indefinite. But in November 2023, Draymond Green and Rudy Gobert a similar altercation. And what happened was Klay Thompson and Rudy Gobert teammate nya akasaka santi in a manner say Rudy Gobert and Klay Thompson a free or no. I'm not in Sunday years or fanasa. Nobody knew what happened to Draymond Green. No gidi. Or then in Sabe clock in me and a minute.
Oh,
a kaka crazy or 5 games. Then April 2023, Domantas Sabonis honorable the Sacramento Kings and so Tiana Kokoso. I say it was a basketball game. Yeah, ball me try say me and che play an top from Draymond Green Tiana Kokoso and grow any bread or J1. March 2023, then or recording a 16th technical foul in the season. Not to say football be when you yellow card 5 at twice. You was so trivia at the mount. When on your 16 technical foul, so a trigger say I was hot nasi 1 game. November 2018, another detrimental conduct. Then June 2016, ani LeBron James and so Otia LeBron James ne groin. I mean ni free. Eventually the Cavaliers, Cleveland, or winning the NBA championship because Draymond Green was out of a crucial game because of the Okokoye. Nti our sa actions no, and so the video need to be one. The catalog of such actions ye hua. Obi ohwe TV ni bia na me be ya adwen say the Draymond Green here no, it goes beyond just somebody playing antics, but rather I think he has a serious problem. Anyway, this is just one, but on my the second video now be brain, this is one share the oye or the Nikotuje and or their war the Denver Nuggets player no, and this does not make sense. Ebeko another clip, the other clip you will see Draymond Green and Steve Adams were butuno.
Oh, as a habit.
Adams Yanka say okay, see tender why not twice or 3 times. And was Sansu Nibion, was Sansu Butino. Or the Nikoto Jawano. There is Sabonis with Tiana Kokoso, no hurry or call. Just dream one Tiasia. And you, LeBron James, Wakudi, where your Lakers, the Akran and say, this was a
PP of basket.
There's another one, Kawhi Leonard. Na way to be on here. On Anthony Davis. Share the obey Anthony Davis. Share. So Green Diano, it beats human imagination. Say, there no corny 3 months man, yes sir. And this is perhaps what the league decided. Say, Omobeshim, then they will give him the indefinite ban because they think that, and yes, a player here the end but rather he needs help. So with the indefinite ban, you have all the time to seek help externally into Kwabontina quality help, which means it be a behavioral trait. It be our anger issues, it be our emotional issues. Be a see a trigger pet because in the game of sports, BBA to me koso, yet me do be at them like Zidane Materazzi. Then it triggers an action and a reaction be until he will need that kind of help. Then the Golden State or the be any teammates we call on Jordan Poole, Jokobon or Bono during training, the last clip and sana when it's answer Babion. So he will need that help. Also emotional treating. With the Golden State Warriors suffer, yes, they will. Because Wayno is a former defensive player of the year.
Okay.
NBA championship, watching it 4 times. So you don't just look at him and think that, oh, he's just any other player. So Golden State Warriors, so who eat 3 chips a woman crucial. Steph Curry, Klay Thompson, you need to add Draymond Green to it. So Nimua, he's like one of their 3 key pieces and our chips on way out. His absence means that the Golden State Warriors win percentage, assorted.
Okay.
If he's in, their win percentage no cost 60-something%. If he's out, their win percentage about 33%.
Hey,
so this
very
season,
huge.
This season, Crown games at Draymond Green, I may say at 9. 9 games, no, I may say. Or maybe we need 3 pair. They've lost 6.
Wow.
So he's somebody they need. But we acquire Santro Fiadoma. So fana, what for Musu
just right.
Into motion sorting is subino so that he can be able to return.
May I say, Michael
Asaribodu and our ten and Kano. Ha Sompa 93.1 FM Sunye live on Sompa TV full time. And your team Konya said they brought Papa Poku Ebre Esunye and Friday do said ya. Na say Fiada Nyame Kofi Poku. Babete Kofi. Bokwadie Nemo me catch a mansan on our sham say a drone bakope and no a true worth product na a true worth vision capsules and no a capsules a wow shadia uhunye na cataract na e wani so no se opese utimi hwe e ma ne koye demand se bia glaucoma na wani so no opese hwe na bia eye kama sa so na wo ya no wani ye ohene wani da bia ye kokwaso akodi di bola so da bia se wisie na wani so enkrofo humpa na ye dwane wo de ne so benya true worth vision capsules and your Prostilab na ye cap Prostilab na eno no so no uyo bia wo dwonso wo bre wo dwonso te yaw pa wase dwonso ne twetwasi dwonso ne dwana dwa wuntimi na se wo sori dwonso ani wo de Prostilab ena ye wo eye male 40s no so memma emunyi so se yei eye mo duro no unya bia wo bebo no pampala o tese pampana na pa amono sampa ade na kodiye akon square eno no uni atenka ebetimi ase abo yi ene o joint 40s eya no wapo so ya no wayemre de bia no noma enkoe ya wote ya wo widie no unya bia ebeboa obi wa de bia se ne tie ne ya ni ene wo lady 40 no so ye obi a o menses ne mayi boso so a ma bi gba so miensa kura no mu nsada sa so no obi wo ho a ote ya wom noma bebre enkoe o mfichikom unya lady 40 ne bia ebeboa pa watenka sem ebekoso so ediama na me catch yourself a number 0206 595707 0558 724302 ofra ye no bedi nkomo de opebia no ye beboa kirechiro mama wo so onsaka Kofi yanko
Mira me do asipi ene ichi birthday na mse se ne ichi city ne se ni di ankasa kra na man for sheda nim na asem ne areho ba ichi di ankasa e Jude Owusu why
okay
yeah but ni di ankasa e wo adaka mu de very here we day yeah Tino ichi happy
but Ocean nim so anka nim ye innocent pa
here we dey
so obi obeka just ichi innocent
but ohen anim a ase obi a mempem asem
metro man no fish na na for be na innocent como be obi ano pay basi ta da for be dey nti ma innocent
eni basi ta ja no ko
onko basi ta ko
sa
enye na basi ta fa ho akosra no Manchester 3 no yira no
basi ta kwayira
wakwayira
international baba
baba sedu wakwayira
international baba cry
odu lisa also change train there say baba hwe ne phone so sa omu kwan tam ene edi ni twem na o dey call Liverpool asana ichi to ano no basi ta sem dey say ni si bronya ni dra last hour ye di guma ni adwane Kofi ofre onyan I mean, called my crow na Anita Ejui.
Okay.
Anita of Jojo Pharmacy. Okay. My crow. Anita, happy birthday. Oba, yeah, Abraham, the Boka Kocham.
Mati.
Bring your arm, Messai.
Anita.
Aye. I don't you mean Diana?
Oh, Fabi,
of course. Your number for fire, no, a dear grow. I was sports. Yeah. I said, do not involved in the district level elections.
Yeah.
Until you far Konya way, so now come for my mom. Wow, one electoral area be so second akoto ba mom. Nedi kan Honorable Abdul Bashir Jagri pe assembly member. Nyumam electoral
Nwam.
Oh, okay. Nwam electoral area. Atebu. Ti montum
ono na wo so.
Incumbent. Honorable Juma so any.
Nti person was almost retaining no.
Honorable Juma so any. No game no cry boy no Bashir Juma na o ye. Say no see organize boys na ntino. Esremu.
Dr. Anto ne rep no wa tibibu.
Say brase be chimade na.
Dem say
so be na stuga for no ko tutiane. Oh, Debbie. Alabut Ewon Soko Tyne District.
Okay.
Minaso Awompi electoral area.
Okay.
Jacob Yaeji Alabut. Alabut here me Tyne FM. Unu Alabut dibe ami.
Masa ye ni abre.
Masa.
Aduma bi ekoto
ama. Alabut na di moto di wedim no.
Asebra na bebe karo.
Enti Alabut. Honorable Jacob Yaeji. Onwa na tiso. Still maintain. Minaso awompi electoral area. Now no mene call the electoral area community back friend munum na so. Now unu ani abre ye electricity teacher say na djuma me so.
When moto na me de alabut twaso.
Oh, so alabut twaso. Sounds na honorable Samuel Kwadri. Ono so ewo bibiani Newtown Chichire electoral area.
Okay.
Monto abano Emma PK na communications manager. Emma bibiani Gold Stars football club no. Nti PK honorable Samuel Kwadri you're retaining to do more. Retain PK to do more.
As young Crawford nyina no.
Maxwell Tete and so was Sunafo South.
Okay.
As I chrome electoral area. Monto abanema Maxwell Tete. Now nko ye djuma na bibia nkonka Maxwell yemini aketwa.
Okay.
You know, yeah, peja Maxwell na mom. Honorable Mohammed Audu Tuga so abofo Junction electoral area.
Okay.
The Audu Tuga so abremo Monto abanema na bibia ntimi nkonka.
Working together with the youth.
Yeah, because there are youth no.
Say come on persuasion.
Aye.
Somba se me 5 now so come me that now this year me ba before almost say omo gala na ya member intimate na shombo sa fi gala na ya bo abofo no omo hwe manim
abofman youth for development
2023 abofo no mo ko hayo na hono na ombe sha no ma che na
okay
abofo no hono na ya dispense yo e ho ara no mo san ba be sha te fe wa abofo
okay
intino ye ba enya asem keto akra
of asem no be gina bonfire nim
oh ye dem din na grand eba na the climax na hono mbeji edi pa timbo here look traditions don't change and agenda Friday intina me yen sa tradition and sesa eno aye boy Europa League na AEK Athens and Ajax and a boy Ajax match no mo boy no nipa no captain Ajax bobo ko no enra ye fe ne Jura Hato na Jura Hato no or a 17-year-old boy.
Just 17.
And our captain a team with great tradition. Like that. Na enyanwa. Now look. Matthijs de Ligt, captain Ajax, no at 18 years, 347 days. Rafael van der Vaart, a captain Ajax, no at 20 years, 182 days. John Heitinga, a captain Ajax, no at 21 years, 93 days. The great Marco van Basten, or captain Ajax, no 21 years, 321 days. Joël Hato, the youngest captain for Ajax in European football.
17 years.
17 years.
282 days.
On a captain team, a tradition. Team Bia near dia, ya didn't win home.
Okay.
Ajax, the didn't win home, a quenya on the man cross on Bobo. Means so, I say, Accra, we know, at this age. On the third youngest debutant for Ajax in the Dutch league, behind Gravenberch and Seedorf.
Okay.
So Joël Hato na Nkasano, ya wono Rotterdam, the second city. Na ne maami free Curaçao, and ne papa free Capo Verde, and na Quebec. Inti
abi brimha.
Oye manfra, just ofria. Nka Holland yo tuntuma. The earliest inclination is we. Or Suriname. But when you Suriname ni Hato a captain Holland under 16, under 17, under 19, or under 21. Now normally Gibraltar elbow European qualifiers no for the 2024 European Championship. Obey Van Dijk film, that was his first game. And it is significant because Van Dijk pay on pay. When he will succeed him. Eventually, this boy will take over the man.
But in Crofon Kwamo Faswa, almost a senoma. I didn't use be.
There be in this car.
Says, see, and Chechemu Biansin with you. Van Dijk, almighty Van Dijk. See, just 17-year-old boy. A Bible replace no. Ono no more teteno for future. Onu sa breye ninka so. Van Dijk be fidi no aba. But ade ye nya bio.
Yeah, 7 dey nya butre. National team asem ka okroma na eden. Ese ko bisa se wan abo matches do da ye pe goals. Wan a she goals do amagana kra na ebre. Yeah, 7 na reho. Scanner yin ntia. And Brighton eshe Marseille it qualify still in that group. Now who would have thought say Brighton better be a group involving teams with 5 Champions League trophies. So group now Brighton Ajax Marseille AEK Athens Champions League AF5. And on their good tables. And on more boss album. And that form. It's not easy.
Yao Pedro 88th minute.
And Osher go no, you could see on the fans no, Omontemu Traka, Senano Mexico. He just jumped into the supporters. Look, Yaya mom. Brighton team, if you see a T, Omombo Europe da. This is their first time entering there. Oma top your group. Omebo round of 16, yes, CDO. So what it means is that Omebo first match now way in the round of 16.
Okay.
In a group involving Ajax and Marseille, would have given them a dog chance. Especially some match right here, Mimu Chancel and Bemba, and then Aubameyang, away Nimu. Quite a the Brighton fun for some ball crossbar and a Jonathan Klaus. But then it is what it is in football, man. Brighton are special. And then I say Bob on the way, you know, Michael Owen. Eddie sadly tweet nearby said what he saw was so good. Indeed, it was that good. Mira. That was a special night. Very still stuff for Brighton, and a pleasure to be here to witness it. You'd have to be there. First half, now on 15 minutes. Not Van Hecke, centre back. No, I bet number 8 or about through pass.
Wow!
Look, they are coach now coach you on into a formidable unit, and it's beautiful. Boya and Siso no, Estupinian no, players no one name prepare, but no problem. Just carry on, do your job.
Player for Barcelona by Omulono or
Belboa. But they are playing their game. They are enjoying their game. And if also be a team, sir, now come and say they understand the profile. Brighton, Elusu, Alexis McAllister. Brighton, Elusu, Moises Caicedo. On midfield, no, 2 already made members. Yeah, you know film. We can't forget Kukureya, Benjamin White. Brighton not ton players, not ton, but still. They did the job.
As I can say, season be an best player BF.
It's okay, but you see, because the model is so nice, and it's yielding results for them. And then agenda no is Mr. Patrick at Mr. Patrick QPATRIQ or Twitter no so a friend of Tinkran. Now Tinkran na control ni BBC and Yakuhumbi. I say Santiago Jimenez possesses powerful shooting and dribbling ability. Orion or they bring as also or Tinkran Chelsea. Looks like a proper gunman. Still, or Tinkran Gusu Kasafo will be player. Player who can was a friend of Santiago Jimenez or a Mexican striker or PSV Eindhoven. Or Tinkran was some now I can many are coming out so more and so I drink chile or money. Crabo Monfa. Lukaku starts into so mami. I'm saying you know who near Koso Ghana. Lakakum. Lakabum. Mpacho Lakakum washe 12 goals, 1 assist this season. I say near through half. Lakakum ni oye no. Aubameyang 12 goals, 6 assists. Pulisic 6 goals, 3 assists. Ziyech 4 goals, 2 assists.
Common denominator.
Chelsea. Hey, baby, Lukaku ako ni wiase bia no. Oma numbers. Black sheep no woman here wine. Chelsea first, Chelsea second. Still anyi. O tin crying adenti na opesa okofa Santiago Jimenez edene ko bonsam jim. Timba ko aye the striker momo a. No ma say no. Enehwe. Ichi, Aubameyang starts. Aubameyang a gunman, Saint-Etienne no a gunman, Dortmund no a gunman, Arsenal no a gunman. And here now even Barcelona come on numbers. And here now call you good anymore say
common denominator.
Chelsea. Intino, but in crying so. We Mexico for now to and Crassi and Cancho.
To Chelsea they almost say strikers.
They almost say strikers, but it's become a graveyard
for strikers.
It's become a graveyard because
Oba won't me but
in recent times. So the Chelsea striker be among numbers are Didier Drogba. Menyesho said Didier Drogba, he scored up to 200 goals for Chelsea.
No.
We had a number of years or boy. Premier League 104 goals. From 2004 2005 to so call by any 104. So Chima averagely he was not even averaging 20 goals per season in the Premier League. I think Argentina opesa one basket ni ichi. Moko be player na mo say. Esremo Mama Santiago Jimenez engine ahome na mum la kakum de o ye na dwuma
me da say no Collins ata poku and outen and can hire Sompa enche yebe die ho aba na mum enche na yesa de draw ne ba Sompa sika promotion ye jedwa ne nyina no se obenye sika kuma bi ato umomo wallet no so otu ba ku bia na 5 cedis and yetel dial star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hours na select option 1 Sompa kumase eno ano cheno sadu do na wo to no na wo numbers na doors na wo chances say udisika me ba be che 500 Ghana cedis esi first one ye twin ya na na be ti jangurengwen na alert na asum na so anya bi na de akoye show tanga na bia so aye kama ansana be sori kra na ye say the second draw na ba ntigusu na twa na bia enye kama eso emfa emaye na me catch us obe dan what the year ada enaho a Royal Foam Ghana Limited omna de mattress aba ye friend Royal Foam mattress so ye carpenter ni na be ye adwuma na nkonwa manse adwa to carpenter ni we die ne nsa no adwuma efe o de mattress ye adwuma ma wa mattress no otena so a emfon eno Royal Foam mattress eno agino ko hotel na se obeda ye adeya na hotel kro no omde Royal Foam mattress na de atoso se beda so na beda na wonso da ye bone wonso da ye abra abochi bi kura konti ba di wachi ondan koso da ye abra udidi wona ye mu a ne nyina no se obeda Royal Foam mattress so eno achi no open mattress ayadwuma de bi a Royal Foam mattress ene yedi ho adanse akamfo de ma omo edamu bafu a omo na mansane asantman age omatum na ode odo ani kire mo factory premises e wa sokore mampon omo ben CCC a bon sampa kwa mattresses ma hodo na obehunu wani so omo sales outlet dodo no a ewo Kumase ne Ghana ha na de frena mbai na no mu ni nkomo se mattress bia wo pe type bia na size bia no omo ebenya bia ma nkomo bia no mu ni number is 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 from na bia enye kama 21st clinic expert in sciatica say ya de ne friend sciatica ya de na eso na nkokom na so to ase unante no wanya ba bia antena na wo ya tu ahwe na ho wo so na wo hyehyew tutu no ase ahwe makodi egu no eno an so do ani be kire mo 21st clinic omo na de bibiduro sa yade wo kire bremo no say na esi tutu esitie o kwa na yetu ase doctors and nurses omo ben omo krokro mu suro nyame na ye adwuma ho ne bia ya kwa yaresa bia ukwa ade kye a omo timi sa afreo na ebisa se me pacho kwa na se na esitie na duro no ye no nsesan bia na ene 21st clinic na ebase tikade a omo daroma na yade no kura yira wo Ghana ha enu achinya no nkwa no msa yade bia efi trisu kosu na ase ko ha ombetu ase de ama omo more than 15 branches and the Ghana ha na Kumase omo branch no ahia overseas junction omo ben Alpha Radio and oboase so omo cancel quarters called junction wa and piem go so saso na takrade opiem wanchi opiem sunwane nkranza ne techmana omo branches ni ebi ho from 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 o from call center ho on be picking and komo bia no omo no wadi ye die ho aba ye ba ye de aka nyina no beto so e diam ha ye Sompa 93.1 FM live on Sompa TV.
Sompa Achadie, Yaba, Sompa Achadie, 2023. Bible say, Nyame Sompa Pani say, Ubiko Nyanka, any Rusiamob, and Utina Sompa, 93.1 Kumase, Sompa, 90.7 Nkransa, Sompa, 98.9 Sunyani, Yakabom, Sebonye, Ibema Enisia, any Akrafo, Editi, Yankuayeti, Adisa Obebuayin, and to say Sika, Fatua Matrufoiso, 0598 5598 02 meeting 0598 5598 02 again also at our 1 media Brana Bosone you let us went to you back we the boja trada na dia mo do yen ya dia ma ekura na mi say Sompa actually 2023 ebusuafo yafa ya wisem na propose prepare board ponkomu yenya kopon obeyi Sompa actually 2023 ekunafo ene enyankane so won petiti.
Hey Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa kwa so kwa buchu.
Kwaku, afraid I will recall. When cats are cranny.
And you remember connection for them for secret and when you tell them son.
Oh, as Express Group had diamonds, I can't wire for. What the sort to Kwan Kosiandia. Express Group do be call minded to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, any Germany. Say a tour massive business in Swa. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, any Germany. More person to Kwan Koye Jumansu, Bits Midwako Dubai, Qatar, and also South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Kwan Kumasi, Asafule by roundabout Accra, so a more Carnation First Light, Tama, a more Community 18, Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more how much show for you, so 055-555-0067 and 0249 000448.
The ones that now are from toothbrush, no. Why and toothbrush, no. You Ashford.
Nah, you deny Ashford, dear. That's so evident, no way.
Who that the evidence, though? I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes, no. They were the different types. Sure, I've been a day I'm cooking. Ashford Princess. And out there could you so Ashford Galaxy. Would you know so Ashford Evidence? Would you so Ashford Executive? And now Mammy so Ashford Friendly.
Dr. Ashford toothbrush,
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Let me go do the me and be a question. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evidence, Ashford Executive, me Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Your feeble ventures now call Faber Gasso. It's 440241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will see me. Blakojo, what badia? Listen, you know me near Wadam Foy. Let me to me. I feel it's not coming home.
I said, what a wood you could. And it's why better son. What can't you say? Come prepare or buff for her bambisa, Ebreno,
or buff for her bambisa. And he didn't them. So cross, you know, be more go.
Kwaku, let us say, and cool your bro, Jam video more yummy pan, and maybe put them all come was some, and you be pepe, and a mixer, median, menum or buff for her bambisa, and I'm seeking cake. Sissy, Missia, no, your wife grown so muka cracker. I told her, no, so the abba. I'm not Quadano, Era Hubasa. And to go for her by Mr. Lydia, you be young in Tompa. Oh, you have been more, that Brampa. Where the turmeric garlic, go to color, and a ginkgo biloba. Turmeric garlic will move, and your papa, and the Bravo Munti, and will do Roman Casa, a dray, and Yama a painful, a bad time one more money for him Quadawan and Fedmin. Boudoir, Last Chance Herbal and Healing Center, Pram Pram, 52 Pharmacy, Caswell Bomb Road, and a pharmacy Smith Herbal Shops. One contact here 0574 353 707 and 0531 541 755 or both for Herbal Mixer.
FDA aji ejedi nkra to yatum.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their phone too, with free play Friday and swipe bet. I'm not so now. In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, we have smart picks and the Passion daily jackpot. You always get way more with Betway. And you want to see.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba, the studios of Sompa 93.1 and I live on Sompa TV. Na sadye ya shaobono ya wo nkomo pa ya babedi opani popropo opani kese pa ebia piefa na ne ye bedi ni mpamro sekejeti akromfo we tumane ha na wo ya to amane ha na wo ya to amane ha nsama akire ya so nsama amanfo peso mbusa nsama mansan peso mhuna omuntimi hunu omote asa enye no ene oha ye ne no ebetwetwe nkomo na wo popanyin kurati ene ma men kanto se Vodafone for se men kanto se omu dwumadie bia ye fe no Vodafone eye broadband no eye ade se odu huru mebebo apa ene ye fe no Vodafone fixed broadband na omu se so ye obi a opeso no omu didwa eto kesa de omu peso mu ye nie wo ye new customer na se wo to broadband plan bi for 1 month wo nya 50% bonus data na so ye obi so a opese wo to 3 month subscription in advance and also no 50% bonus data plus free installation Vodafone phone ko and betima bo asere be ya internet sem and no browser sem no manyo e betima ko ediama na opese utimi ewuram na hu sede Vodafone fixed broadband in city dial star 900 hash star 900 hash and answer friend 0505 555 111 and now visit my Vodafone app no so a ubetimi ahunu bi na se de also ye nyina no watime na bibia ye kama na mami enim komo we emamo ni nyina no se Express Group 4 na mi ankasa mi yonko afa ne Power Jones Kranche was me wa dance pa bi di ni nyina no se was akoma so ye no makodi nkoma na unsa ampa omo se fatade no krede na ye adwuma so pese wo kwatro nsohwe e wo abruchiri wo so ko school abruchiri na exams bay eye GMAT eye TOEFL eye SAT ana ye day ombe guide omo tutors omo abino omo experience ombe guide omo atwe apass school na wo kwano abruchiri no sikasema ye dene o per scholarship ombe boa ma nsaka scholarship na de akokọ school no enu achi no so pese otukwa na ye to na pese okwana abruchiri saso na ebia ticket no nsem ana se bibia fa kwantu nsem visa kwa na pese ye moboa wa ombetumi aboa amwa kwantu nsem aye kama ediama enu Express Group 4 no omo se omo branches bebre omo pese omo offices ne ben mo se de be ya babia obia no obetumi no mato kese entu piem okumase a omo asafo labor runabout and ankrai so omo keneshi first light obetuma from 0249 000 448 and a 0555 55 0067 and a 0508 111 343 and your 0552 827787 or from Ambetmi and what Dim Kola Bia Kama and then Friday Samuel phone Swanya Nina say alert bay and abaso a Betway golden coat promo no Friday bia omo ankasa ehye omi team no no ma pe odds na bia kama no mo dia bro mo se men twan less than 1 cedi and I mean twan more than 50 Ghana cedis na de ten se utwa na se wa ni a omo asadu sika ma aba enye Betway a ehe na benya no saa ento mo se game no udi akire ni akire saa moka de akire na fasika de akire na ma game no enya wo de Betway found him na golden code promo no enkoe ma Betway bet your way eno de tie no no na me no kasa o pani proper me kasa o fia he Mr. Divanche ono na se ebehwa ma bibia aye kama ede ama na bibia so ye fine na wo de me patro ye mo nations enwom no mra ye ni nations opani pa ba aba bidi nkomo na ye na ye ho na ye mra ye ba nations nwom no chi no de akabia de beto aso ede ama
Nations unity, nations Nations SCA, nations SCA, unity we win, no win is from within. Nations SCA, unity we win, no win is from within. Missing nations SCA, Onyameka ya hunti odin kunyima boya botro. Nations SCA, Onyameka ya hunti odin kunyima boya botro. Onyame mane ye unity nyame mane ye yemi akwadi akwade fire slow bia. Listen nations SCA, nations SCA. Unity will win, no winning from within. Listen, nation says, when you make a won't see you when him die.
Okay, ya Simon Wakwaba na so what Nations FC team baako a abepie mu asantiment mu Ghana ye Premier League no omu esia kan wom na ye se omu nyum etwagui na otwa wie ye ampaye ebedwa omu gina akono ne ani CEO opanyina ye friend Kwame Chumasi Dankwa dodo na friend Alexis na wawura fia ye no eba ababedi nkomo afa Nations FC nsama wodo a ye tete any so far omu team project esi omani so no se ekoyi se enkoyi di omu pe no na ekọ na ho nkoma na ye ne eba bedi so se Michael Akomia e wo fia saso Michael Sarbodu a Collins Atapoku e wo ha medin ye Dilutakin ma kona me opanyin na akwaba CEO good morning.
Good morning.
Alexis Boko de
Nyamiadum.
Nyamiadum ye krokro ma na Nations ekoyi de
ekoyi pa
de mo pena na ekọ no
exactly ye pa ni nsaka no ye gusunso.
Okay. Mickey.
Nti nkomoni na ne say Nations na ba be the vibrant second force ewa Ashanti region so far in terms of football. In times past yenya Obwasi Goldfields yenya King Faisal. The newest one in Nations nti we kotokona no no aba beto so mienu a endei omote Asante manim ewa Ghana ye Premier League na esefata say omomone mbo omobo ninti ende ye ni CEO twetwe nkomo na ye hu se na nyoma so esi akonti Alexis waba akwaba bio so season so far o bu nkompon ko hwechi from match day 1 na dey be see match day 14 there na obeka dey afa
ho madam say anopeni akonya mo dey amare the mechanic say I good, it's not been bad, but you started in little problems kakra.
Okay.
Obesha team no experience ni said there nimbebre. You pick players no from Division 1, then Ibukra from Division 2.
Okay.
Few of them ni nyamo from Premier ID count. You know, blending them no so it take a lot of time and as you know, football business, they want me for players within 3 months. Now want me for your team. Now we need the open, but with this, no make anything I make like I say, coaches now I jumapa because team we about 4 months to 5 months old.
Okay.
A very young team.
The new Nations
set up because players in the G League, no. In my last season, no. A car about 11 players.
Okay.
Ti jadudo na kwaina. You find new players crying Thailand. It's been good. Though you started with challenges kakra. But you know crano now share. So share your games na performance now was good, all right. But near problem you go scoring.
Okay.
Because you are dominated team BI and Nabo up till this time.
Season.
Yes.
I think my first ever game Cramoni Dreams.
Dreams.
Go ma.
Yeah. Nice goal and a clean goal.
So statistics let's say my first 7 games, 1 win in 7. My last 7 games, 6 wins in 7.
Sure.
So waka say from the start na namunim say nyoma mo be den kakra because of recruitment ni ade. Nti nkomo be na mudi from the top meka management na fe coaches nkomo be na mudi ya munya ratio because one year careful through such a spell what about first 7 games where we need back up potentially coaching na adwuma na be at risk. Nti nkomo be na mudi ni areshe mo be na mo de ma mo ho a e ma mo timi steady shape ne kakra afa de nyoma fa de amamo no.
Well, to say you can yesterday league no. You fortunate in your opportunity in the ball Division 1 no more this competition
Super Cup no?
Super 8 yes. And So our tournament no boy because throughout your pre-season, no friendly matches are your boy we were winning. We thought all was good. So see in that competition now. In your setbacks to be woman. You realizing who said no, we need to do more. And so we share your coaches, no Johnson Smith and Kasim Mengala, well experienced, and Kasim Munkre Nesano Juma possession and more assuring say with the boys no more me through. They will do well, but and a better gradual process, and I feel say they've done very, very, very well. We are starting in the now. More especially time you ever 17th no. Then I tell you I am share by but they kept on assuring us my through. Nah and you're very fine and indeed.
In all that has panned out, the course in nature, you know. Obeka said the transfer strategy Momo use here and the results are here, it has paid off.
I think so. I think that it has paid off. Though we need to beef up. Especially attack no. We need to beef up, which we've done. We've done it.
What are the strengths? So what are the main strengths of Nations FC? You can say team Ninia. Every Man City you say a pass and say no Mubono. What are the main strengths of a Nations FC? As a Momo football DNA.
I don't know how many times I watch games and share game now, you kitabon up, you possess it very well. And may I say team the strength so because Accra Lions team almost possessive football. You share almost like and I am a game number TV. It was a very nice game. Very nice game. Because when your two teams are both similar. Now Omoba and make us your strength no. Possession, in possessive very well.
Musha team be a momo bobo no ma. Team na be cry on cry no combat be do.
Yes, exactly. That's how come a team be in a so far this season. You are dominating no. That is very good.
Yeah, so the Akos so far we need 5 games on the trot. We need 6 out of 7 in the last 7 games. Assess more objectives for the season and most season as maybe a more the dam when this one more person more now send your form this year you know a man must send you when kakra afedi maybe a better prayer ko yenim kakra
sure when about 5 matches straight now we are winner boosty players now kasa confidence say yes indeed we can do it and I think say Adwene World Camp Nations Camp say no say you lose game be
abio
sure
then potentially a league ni muji na muke camp
well Adwene motive or camp ni back camp atmosphere or camp say no
so you
lose game be abio
and what basis na muji na so mo de kan ye ka be say form is temporal maybe you've seen beyond the form na ye ne hu so what have you seen
to me the me hu de me share team no send AC boss say ni the kind of players are try see the Omobeka team no more and maminya confidence say yes indeed we can do it
ne akwasi Chumesi Dankwa na twetwe nkomo oye the CEO Kwame Chumesi Dankwa on the CEO for Nations FC and na twetwe nkomo Nations omo league so far na hwe season na ne se na nyoma siako narrow it down to the coach Kasim Mengo the appointment in the first place why did you go for him?
Well, Musa, your Division 1 league. Your head coach was Johnson Smith. Very nice coach, very good coach. But our deficiency, we need license A. I'll bet you made a handle team in the Premiership. So now we see a POB similar to his style or both the style. No. And fortunately for us, no. And Kofa Kasim no he Johnson and Frame. We consulted him. Fortunately for us, Nimiane Mengel. Playing this, they were roommates.
Oh wow.
Yes. It made it easy for them to come together and work, and he played an instrumental part in getting Mengel among the 2 nations. Yambrepi and you share send you see ball time or betchim no when the game plan bibia it suits us send you person in your this season tina me kofa
yes a much of form and
it was easy yes
so you do you think Munya the best coach available on the Ghanaian scene now?
To me yes me was a why consistent with Bechem and we should Bechem games then we can't do football and my born EFA and I think say we went in for the right man
yeah. Assistants and head coaches Jumedieno Ayane or we've seen recent cases crowd your league in him with Tano Bofakwa anyway Waka say the two coaches are not be friends simple. They are like brothers. Any Omudino. Is that one factor are contributed to what we are seeing with the team?
Exactly. So Uba your training can now share the way I must see handle training programs are. You know being a cultural. The unity is there.
Okay.
And among the technical team it's been awesome. It's nice. Tiunya teammates are udi anymore ombre. Yeah.
Yeah, the recruitment players now mode by coach are modiaba anyway. If you sit down and assess the potential of what players nimu now name the competence of a technical department and so headed by Kasim Mingo.
Yeah.
How far do you think this team can go?
Back of far because I see I see the team winning this league.
Nations team.
Sure. Per what I'm seeing, attitude, no players, no body language, no BBR. I think say you bet me the league, Yeah.
If I'm not extending it, what needs to change to ensure the positives, the good stuff? You are not the perfect team yet, I believe.
Sure.
So what needs to change in your own estimation? What team media?
First, a bay attack no. Also, additions kakrao at least 2. Ma to some extent, defense you been your backup kakra.
Okay.
Because so far they've been good. They don't concede too much.
Yeah.
As so far you're conceding.
I think the more last 5 wins but most of them were coming from clean sheets.
And season you cry and conceded 2 goals.
Yeah.
Apart from Kotoko, I board drawn.
I think Kotoko best 2-2.
Yeah. Our brackets. And on the mega say balls 2 out of net in the match. And so I think yes, you being here attack no na being here we kakra on a midfield bakubi. We will be good.
So you go heavy or the next transfer window name.
I think you're signing back crowd. Me sign his contract no crowd there any Kotoko. Boy FA Cup no I'm signing.
Are you in a position to tell us?
Oh yeah, I can tell you because he signed a contract. Bismarck Opong.
Yeah.
Bismarck Opong, formerly of Mediama and Karela.
Yeah. What do you think he brings on board?
I think attacking him. Very potent striker. Very potent. Go Monga. Yes, and you see.
Mediama nya trump card in Jonathan Soa, second half of the season.
I think say we be the same, similar to Jonathan Dioye. Sure.
That's beautiful.
Sure. Because last Wednesday, a ball friendly game, he scored. And the maturity
I'm loving this. I'm normally not interested in the sporting project so much. Right, Kwame Che and the bad divine Che and Sembebre na a more limitless pot of gold for you to run a football club. We see you who run a club no say they be a discovery free baby aba and I said penny for your catch or say bedroom baby no sponsorship and I said team nankasa behwe.
Sure, exactly. Because I'm saying to me, yeah, say Adibia or the football team. To me, call them they be now first come by, they be first come by. Work in progress, and you go to see yes, I did not so say. And in the near future, team now behwe na. and yes, the Biana Mekot, Dr. Ho, Divine, Paul, no. Yeah.
Come across all nations, so Chrome her. Just that in Rebecca said, nations is being branded outside, so we are antithesis of Kotoko. The way the Kotoko for normal term, also be a Manashe Kotoko for. How do you run a football club with that level of scrutiny from outside?
It's never true. How? Then I say, no, because yes, yeah, dear. And so I share nations team now. Dr. Che is an outsider, beginning in Sinche. Fine, on a patron, your father, on a BBI, a foot too, because of the experience in Kotoko. You can't take him out, and the man at him near and Divine is about my age. Paul, those running the team, we are young guys, we are hungry for success. We want to carve a name for ourselves. Yeah, dear, to suit us, and only at the end, a new way of running football, and then you be a year chum use ya be no. Yeah, dear. You feel say best suit here, Bema team no ya kono se obi be person be join the team no. And no yeah. Tinye obi ni ehwe no yes akra.
Who started signings for the main season near to 10 70 be again on the politics of running football. They say what in our boardroom trust say Kotoko player because of the acrimony that could come out.
Prince Akwa team be.
Ediana.
So it defeats that argument, and some of the speculations. That's a crime. Crime discussions are it never came up. The speculations out there, but Kotoko player no a good nasi feels over to me. Why not? Say quite that was a big fan player and quite a fan.
Quite that was a Kotoko for Razak Simpson or Bema.
Oh, why not? Say business. Yeah. He's about the best defender in the league, no doubt.
Wonderful. Yeah. What nations were born here? Sika for nations, a projector, Keto Kreku Kosa or Unity Church interior, babysitting nations, and a quite business the Premier League, Premier League, Musu de Omo Pebian, Aka any business, nations, Bobo Abu, John Ansa. GFA security near the Omo. Penny, you are doing your very best to run a professional football club. And there is a conscious talk to drill you. Say, look, A favors B, A B, B, B. How do you feel about that?
I tell him. Say, any focus, pa, Casanyo man, Kibesu, Yama.
I am TV.
No, I don't yet, pa. But we don't pay attention to those things. Say, we are said here. One young can want them. You be back papa, you be back bonnie. But you take the good ones now, you can no build on it. Bonnie, woman, utugu. Because man, hawa, you always see when you saw person, unto me. Until we don't pay attention to those things. In any case, Tim Bain and our Boboa, Effie, I free or more office, I be go among. Is he wing? Okay, so if you have a good team, you play and win games. But you don't have a good team. How can you win games and better baby as a nations and our favors? No, because we did so well in qualifying the team for this Premier League. Nti me obi tna say no keka sansem na. Kai say ke the team agi league ke be jama players na be, but we felt say no. Say ka say the players na sa ko Premier League na intumi compete. So we had to go in for new ones. I feel say beat me a boy. Tis on your money there. We don't pay attention to them. But more munja, come more. And on the saying, we am cram here, Jumano.
See you. And then, do anasi kabe nkwane omubutoma moche do a chairman for Abrankas. We've seen you extend favors with the moye away teams, Papa. Edwuma for mo edwuma ho mo hwe won yie pa mo players you pay good money to them ya bobo na wie no so say await maybe a na eduana e ba say me meche ora kwa mchi na wa me beche na yesi form ya be kona ni papi bre e wo mo office ho I mean, and we know the things you do for these people.
Yeah.
There na ya mo ye no ho no na di nti na mo ye sa.
I say we are said yes will be doa. Now so watch no do. Nye baby na abekwa e bebo game ewie. Ubehwe be 8 p.m. 9 p.m. ni nipa da so around. Stadium na ankasa in itself no me dey bia me kan me nima de kro ewo. Dr. Kwamchi Sports Complex. Baby bar, you feel very comfortable, you feel at home. Who free one ya? Ti your games where it me free by 11 p.m. Nothing ye free. And yeah, papa no di anymore. When you get in contact with him or any papa and or ma feel comfortable so or best stay around him nti na ma nipa bebre ho anytime be able games no ti nya bibia ayodo
I arrest my case for the time being.
So may I sure say enkomo bebre akoso so between mo and the next matches are mo beboni ade. There is an impending tournament which is the African Cup of Nations. It fits into the whole local player conversation or argument. It was here the local players need be called anyway. Meaning, you branch away from nations kakra. What's your team? So young fans only 14 opponents, different opponents now. But how do you measure your standard? No, and you think said there is any player that you have seen or bet me Remo the Black Stars in him?
Well, media league and the truth be told, this season Ankasa teams ne ball no more was okay, and I feel the coaches ne there. Though there is more room for improvement there, but I feel that coaches ne are doing very well, and player to me there. So far, player me feels so deserve a call up by Razak Simpson. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, a team no. Because was there me too many share Black Stars team now, and to some extent Kotoko Lamptey.
Richmond Lamptey.
Yes. To me, Omona me feel say they deserve call up.
Yendi Simpson no home come no. Why do you think he needs a shot or a chance for your Black Stars name? What qualities does he possess and how does he go on to adapt to the Black Star team now?
My put in one word. Make us or Van Dijk of Ghana football.
Like that.
Resolute, na awareness. Area ability, ball playing, defending. He has everything and flawless. Hardly so be who defender. On but also consistently mistake be our no. That is him. He's simply amazing. What you wanna ocean now will be in control. He's too good. Too good. That's our Waje man of the match 4 times. Yeah, he's too good. Excellent.
Tin komo ben na akoso when any hint bibi you say in your better from Adikai. If there will be something like that, perhaps there will be hints be a momo benya. Mo hwe bibi asa concerning player
not now, but I feel say he deserves it. He deserves a call up. Though I don't know what the FA is doing there. Now I said technical handlers now. Black Stars team technical handlers minim there, but Chris Ababe match back. Unfortunately, not we're proud that time to our movie. The first game after an injury near Adriana game, and Ata was there. He saw him, and your friend Amiya because of his performance, he's done so well.
There's this conversation too about local players quota. You are a stakeholder of our local league. To an extent, you are also being part of a franchise. Do you join in the argument, yen tra quota been tour for local players to be included with your national team name?
I think so. My reasons are simple. You say your tournament and play piano obebobi. But se unya quota been out at least exposure. We should not forget say a bochan. It is a unya such players about 5 or 7 ediomokoa. Automatically omo ban omo be part of the chantima. You say players nangas omo wadibi omo self confidence because he feels say Black Stars kra mako nti chan ni die ebe we bia mamia obe show bibia mo say yes indeed he is no deserve that Black Stars collab nti I feel say a motivation for the local boys no to do well nti say yes I feel say beboa.
Okay, back to nations. Yabeba Mone has game so and that will be your major focus before your baby interview way. But Moshia 14 different opponents. League, you know, we are made up of 18 teams. Momo can be so if I got 3 opponents and Moshia you complete the list. But Moshia more than 80% of the opponents are available. So let's do this. First, Team Bena Moshia feels away your mama match ba.
Lagos Cities. Lagos, yes.
Hey, Bobo
1-1. Lagos Cities. Me a solid. Yeah. And typical Paco's Fabian team.
Okay.
They play. Was a omo young boys and they play very, very well. Tiomuna my tough time pa.
Tough time. What has been the best game so far?
Accra Lions.
Only Accra Lions, you know?
Sure.
Really?
Yeah. It was nice.
Oh,
Sogakope. Yeah.
Monaco took a game there. Maboko twice, and then draw back on FA Cup. So those 2 games in this way.
Like I say, Kotoko change in the FA Cup because of sending almost setting up on more team no the nearby no. Number who so much change your style of play no because number show more against was it Accra Lions and our Lagos Cities in Sogakope
Lagos Cities.
Yes, yes. And to me who say much change your style into here truth be told there's game Accra because me that game me share you know me was a game na apija unlike the ombe ball Abrankesi no omo ball only make us 30 minutes and any time omo dey take an share you know and they almost acquire back but omo team near strong compared to the one your boy FA Cup no strong. Yeah,
we've seen representations from the Bono region Bono and a half or so who say clubs about it helps the region in terms of projection of our football. Ye who be waha 9 na near Wabuasi Goldfields, near where Dubiase, near King Faisal, Asante Kotoko. Now Abeka basically mean more near Asante Kotoko. Now Mummy no so ya the chem na bishop can wansem. Say we waha. And when he be here in sense Abeka boom to project Ashanti football and not stoke fire into a perceived rivalry. And when he be here in saying
issue be on my Damakuma so probably was see our clubs be bro Ashanti no more ball league na a boy clubs na won't spend it too much.
Okay,
you see, and aside so won't spend it too much no obi ben na ne boy there's a unya crowd no more sikansho ba.
Okay,
so unlike so be free baby ba on to me van supporters in number yeah the team no offense so here na oba Abrankesi offense for betimi afoka ba behwe bi.
Okay,
so Abrankesi ne yeko offense so Abrankesi supporters betimi free akọ nti it helps sanyo man na was say yehwe and I feel there is about time teams in Ashanti region be coming together na ya try say ye be boy ho not say your boy who quite bonny so but so be here player B you can loan the player to the person na etimi abuana man the team no left here up nti I feel there's about time e be share na me feel say the Kotoro should come in and help na emboa Ashanti teams no intimi page
ya flag Abrankesi for stadium disturbance meaning say excessive dia. Do you think a taint on Jumedia Mopesa Mudi and how Mopesa Nyamako?
Yeah, a high power because of I think the Kotoko game as I should see a high that day we are blame it on the security. That day security on the buy no, it was bad.
Okay.
Small girls be see no crowd control now is difficult for them. And a idea high. Tomorrow's game say very cautious with security, pay attention to it very, very well. And Rami a series of meetings on that. Enye is Sanyo Manuma de bin CBM. Because we Abranka Center sa the emphasis abisi okra.
Has eba Nyankopon ya adoma na ehun hwehwe no ehun senkan ne te arrangements be na moye.
Well, security be top notch because of we be amatete say
demonstration be I say as for the person who be demonstrate here on my board no
well minim how on be any there but we are waiting and yeah sure ne be see form a bit if says a be higher facility now I don't think so be so but minim the on person mo here there e chema dwen kakra unless e be omo chechire mu yi but say bibi e disturbance say bibi sa no and there I don't think say bema kwa mo my bibi sa but security okay bibi okay hono mo boni bi ani ho umba meti theft issues ne so those things you be feel free na umbra well efa media there no also about your card entry with me around nti ye ni ye said any restrictions be yeah
okay nti me chitani me ba behwe bia what am I guaranteed say menya ewo game nim na dey so na be allow me say as a normal fan obi abia mo kuma say me ba branke say behwe nations ticket ne ho sensem no
okay ticket here VIP no here I mean Constantine for VIP near 100 cedis
okay
na regular me as a regular center line and poach in 30 cedis
okay
yeah and I know the edge and I can assure anybody Bia and any football say free abranka say Dr. Kwamche Sports Complex ochinano or the energy ne beku fee and or the good feeling because the team will sell very good football to the fans. Yes.
Obien we need 6 match and twice so that was season yeah boy. The Amaya no Ediana baby and I think there's another team on us why and I'm about twice so. Are you going to be the first to win 6 consecutive games for a league in him? Because it's against a very determined House of Folks.
Yeah, it's a static conversation because I just say lose match be
sure. A draw can happen.
And a draw. Yes, you say.
More House of
sure. You say mo pa.
Oh, na branke se de say atia kezen FC omo de ko ho mo maso se ya branding na nyom to sikani na di ni sikeshem yani ba ho so na team na drutakwa sio udansuonum a wo ye adwuma ni bi o he se de mo say stadium mi se ni branke se ya kono bobo ho se ni ani kan wo ho nipa omo nyamiani abrankese kontanse pramso jache Abidjan Junction aputoja obia ba behwebo ni bi njidi se mfienu machi ebeba na team da so premier e wa abrankese a ebo
exactly I do that time kan ebo Africa o ti ya yenim sanyo mane nyina and unzo se wunya panyi bi no di wenim no ye committed na ne giagro na akasa ho a Bibi anywhere be change ya because a team here. No way. I don't see that in 5 years. Yeah. The team has come to stay.
Abasa necessary Santimaja Padia sir.
Sure.
Na there na be catch Santimai, ne Ghana man nyina Efa Nation FC. Omusizi omoboy ho. Christmas message to everybody involved, your stakeholders. And then your words on the asking.
Well, the Mecca kakra he has support. I feel say I was asking my boy team no. Oda de makotoko no. Mesre say yemfam half cram embeboa and supporting nations and yen disappoint. Happy say am beto as good our team nim because as good ni obium. I feel say yɛmfa saa ɔdɔ no a ne yɛde support Ashanti teams na no more premier no yɛmfa bi nations na yɛntry sɛ bi protect team no na team no nkɔ baabi a ɛwɔ sɛ ɛni sɛ ɛkɔ na gyina ne ntena daa na tena ɛbɛboa Asanteman because yɛ youth bebree yɛbɔbɔ sɛ team no wɔ hɔ a yɛnso yɛbɛfa bi ɛde ɔma ba hɔ ama ɛbɛboa very most of the households ama ɔmo nso anya biribi because yɛhwɛ players no yie paa nti I feel say support is very important also obi o Asanteman mo be the tight team n'akyi and more media no so far so good Maboy pa you've been very very supportive and any so and in due time you be na ya be show your appreciation to you guys my at the end to your supporters ne there they've been amazing because team ni free be quite about Bosomtwe district and because Division 1 days now they were supporting the team. Division 1 games in Anjiska Gate, it was free and they've been very supportive till now. At times buy cars by 3-4 and they should keep on supporting the team. Now and Christmas no you started in watch now with a crowd of folk when no the best stress will be Biabeba Abrankasi Sports Stadium, Dr. Kwame Sports Complex. Now Ababeshe, nice football and a great win.
You are a nice gentleman.
Thank you.
And yes, I know I'll hear my name na make us.
Thank you.
Now the reason why I'm saying you are a nice person. Let me free Domain Kroba Kumasi. Sada na Nations FC Ebobo for Kwaus. Na me nam kwan so na me hu say omo bus omo dey corner say supporters bus. So I stopped by the road na me bi so omo say dey asema. Omo say omo bus na say na omo kra omo nim so omo betima kwato ball na. And you could see worry on the face of the supporters. No me say na omo oh you afraid see you. No say omo fa bus back on the befa I was alarmed. I'm say time be no. Now I'm trying to fake a senebe. Go be back be a so your friend no cry no da mama the obi otika bia obi ogina bontin bia e ka o enche bia ye bass ne beba ye be kwa too much no me who dream say mo ye football there na so mo nipa ye no e wo so
sure
ti ye bom pa say mo sha say no odama na me omamo ye kodru hu I'm a nice gentleman. Based on that,
what I can attest to you, Takwa. Say, you don't want to one hotel.
Yeah,
exactly. Almost place near.
Yeah, Madam Ascend, my main cousin, some way, say, who your team now, Dr. Che. Divine Che and Paul Che do anymore. I feel say unya sumdue e de ya adwuma not senior open and the nyina papa no doctor the futu or the mine ni nipa ye ni nyina ye hwe no so the team nti atamedase that's for your kind words. Thank you.
Later. Jebedase say CEO Edema Nations FC etima be wura mofia na yadim common sembe brain waka de a kire de pese yete ene de pese hu nyina no wabɔ no tofa e de amebeda na sepa ha so de ne fie dan da bia no wo so utimi ba no be wura no osrae aka be sema nan na ye de adwumadie no e ba na we na mu ma menyam first draw Sompa sika promotion me ogide se bia twon mo gi musika omo pese weekends no mo sha se yi no ha miki mo ntwe first draw no e ma me o first draw no mame mo first draw no mame na bibia so enye kama na yenhwe na bibia so enye fan omo star 256 star 3 na obetimi eso edwudi awuram ne yenhwe na obe lucky winners ene ama bibia so atimi aye kama lucky winners na bibia so atimi aye kama hwese eye draw no betimi to dwa Sompa 93 3.1 so enie na mo bigu so aye ba draw na osbetimi afre abom na odo adwenche eso awuram sema odo a yabobo so amono ne nsem ene afisem nyina no obetimi eso ede wadwenche aba 0551931931 okay Mickey aye crowd dia na ese ye hwese bibia be kama eso ede amaye obetimi afre aba so number nam dia tudwa 0551931931 0548931931 yegusua yetoto no ma se draw no ebetimi akoso na yehu omo a ombe winners ene Sompa sika promotion ono a watwa bi nyina no ona wo se odisika 500 Ghana cedis mienu ene wo se yeche na weekends no eyede akono eso edi emabi ti egusu ayetototo normal say normal eso ebegugu na akwam amabia so etimi aye fanfan na ya hwede ekone de ebabia no na ese yeso ye de ato aso no e de ete a ye de ema ewudwumadi no so na mama hwes metima fa me first caller ewo eye ahoma no so a okay hale yes Saudi no babia free
Luta oni Solomon
Solo yanko
ate wan sande mana from power so wa chama obedano nyame adoma wo kina kuma se sande kotoko ye wa assignment nyambo chaye nyina ye ko blankase na yakobo ina machines for na o kina 3 points no o matini ade because next jump 5 matches olusu ondo mu akoko ambo no belusu e me ha to talk to me here oso mo no me press conference we fi awo mo ene be say next week e me say nyame adoma kina nyina kwata ne season kina 3 points o mo na Sunday so ya for Olympics zone to aso na ne ma kon kama ko Sunday ko to ne Sunday with the team ne nyina medase
eso medase no solo eso edie eso eno no osubetuma afre na ya fa be course no kakransa na ede dwumadi no enyina asi na me ba twa mo course draw na course la na monfra kramu na omra na omehwe na ne kobia no eso entimi enye kama na bibia so ne ti evre no enya ayebre ewo ha ehwe ne yedi dwumadi no edi asi adomdom na se yeti nkwam a ebo 3 pm ebesi aba na yedi shoot out no eso edi aba na yedi ababa be down ewo Sompa 93.1 FM so na bia kama oti atapuku nka oti Michael Akomiaka Michael Sarbodu so tenenka Medina de Lutekin saso na eye Nations FC
omusi pediasia aresase eso se wa pomodin ana so se wa hodin yare bia woni free timanu madro abra woni yare no kofa bai we eye 21st clinic enyina so a ye de sayare wo 21st clinic no yare a amanfo titunya brochefo enim se yesa pa no ene yare afa ne se sciatica se ye kase sciatica eye nhoma bi a efri osisi achi se de hu screen so fa wo to ase fa wo nantu besi fom aya na atwetwe